Hey guys, welcome to 8 Tools Daily. Today I'm showing you 10 AI tools that will completely change your life. Let's get started. Number 1, ChatGPT by OpenAI. The most popular AI tool in the world. Great for writing, coding, and answering any question you have. Number 2, Midjourney. Simply type what you imagine and it creates stunning images in seconds. Absolutely mind-blowing. Number 3, ElevenLabs. This tool creates realistic AI voices. You can clone any voice or choose from hundreds of options. Incredible. Number 4, Runway ML. Generate amazing videos using just a text prompt. The future of video creation is here. Number 5, Perplexity AI. Forget Google. This AI search engine gives you direct answers with sources. A total game changer. Number 7, Notion AI. Write, organize, and manage your entire life in one place with the power of AI. Number 8, Canva AI. Design anything you want in minutes. Logos, thumbnails, banners, all with AI help. Number 9, Suno AI. Create full songs with vocals using just a text prompt. Music creation has never been easier. Number 10, Claude AI. One of the most powerful AI assistants right now. You can write emails, create content, solve problems and much more, completely free. That's all for today guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to 8 Tools Daily for more AI content every week. See you in the next video.